Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you this incredible unboxing. This is the latest release from the Perth Mint.
It is. We have them for release day. This is the wedge-tailed eagle.
It is 10th anniversary of the wedge tail.
Yeah.
Looking really forward to the design. I've actually seen it on an artist impression, haven't seen it in real life yet, so this is going to be a good one.
Yep.
And I believe it's a John Mercanti.
It is the 9th. So there's one that there's one that wasn't done by him. I'll actually have to go do some research and find out what one that is. But let's get into it.
Sounds good.
Alrighty.
Here we go.
Pack of 100 there.
Yeah, love opening these new boxes. And there it is. Hang on a sec. Let me get a decent shot so it's not all covered with.
I want to see. All right, there we go.
Alrighty, there she is. And I don't have my eyes on, so I can't see it. Oh, there you go. Oh, actually, we have seen this before, haven't we?
Yes. We got a glimpse of this one in Berlin.
So very Phoenix-ish.
Yeah, kind of rising up there, the below the bird, but yeah, very much lends itself to that Phoenix.
I like the way they've put this. I don't know, what are we going to call that? Radial hatching.
It kind of feels like a bit of a different take on the kangaroo radial lines to me.
Yeah, I can see what you're saying.
Just similarly styled with
it's different.
Animal in the middle with the lines around the outside.
I love the detail in the. I'd love to see this on a 10 ounce or even a kilo. Because the detail they've got, I don't know if you can catch it in this light.
We will be able to see that on the numismatic lines of this.
Yeah, okay, but the detail they've got, that's if they don't reverse the images, so it's a mirror background. Don't know, we'll have to see what they do with that. But you can see the feathering inside the wing there, and even on the chest of the bird itself. I love the detail. I don't know, the picture of it, I think I like it. It'll grow on me.
I showed this one to Matt, and his take was that the head was a little bit small for what he was picturing.
No, I'd say that's within scale.
The scale works?
Yeah, I'm sure the comments on the side will either agree or disagree with this. I think it's in scale. It's very. I'm not having a dig at John Mercanti here. It's very American-esque.
Well, I mean, that's kind of, I guess, one of the reasons they get him, I suppose.
Yeah, but it's Australian bird.
Yeah.
So I kind of wonder if it's not missed the Australianism of the eagle. I don't know if that even makes sense.
I think so.
But yeah, it's kind of got that American twist to it, which is not necessarily a bad thing. It's just not something that I was expecting.
Yeah.
So not too bad. And then on the other side, it is the first of the wedge-tail eagles, I believe.
It is.
With His Royal Highness King Charles III.
Still will take me a little while to get used to.
Yeah, I'm still trying to get my head around it. He still doesn't have a crown on, which still throws me every time. But I do like the way they've gone for the frosted background with the mirror image of, or the mirrored finish image of King Charles and the wording there. I think that actually pops really nicely out of that frosted background. But that's the coin itself. It's a good design. I've just got to get over that American take on an Australian bird.
How do you think it compares to the Kookaburra from this year? Because I know we kind of compared that one a little bit to the wedge-tail. Which design do you think is actually more like a wedge-tailed eagle? This one or the Kookaburra?
Oh, I don't like that question. I'm not sure I have an answer to that one.
Yeah, okay. Both coming at it, tackling it from different ways.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, see, I think it's the picture of it, because you don't tend to see wedge-tail eagles going vertical like that. They tend to soar. So I think that's what's throwing me, is this very patriotic American portrayal of it rather than a traditional bush setting. I'm not saying it's the same as the Kookaburra on the bird bath that I've been banging on about for years, but it's kind of heading down that line, and that's the only thing that's making me hesitate. Other than that, I actually quite like the coin. I think it's good. Mintage numbers, remind me, Reuben.
I had these up. Let me pull this up.
Is it 50?
I think 50,000, yeah.
Yeah, so 50,000. Very limited stock. I'm not trying to put the wind up anyone, but very limited stock, the vast majority of which have headed overseas. We got a fairly large chunk. I believe we got the largest chunk out there. And I'm not expecting us to have, I mean, they're not going to sell out in 24 hours, but I'm not expecting to have them for a very long time either. So grab them while they are available. What have we missed, Rubes?
So I think that's everything. Yeah, no, very cool design. Interested to see what the broader community thinks. So let us know down in the comments below.
Absolutely.
Like and subscribe, all that kind of good stuff.
Yeah.
And we will see you in the next unboxing.
Sounds good. See you soon.